Zohran Mamdani's sweeping victory in New York City's Democratic mayoral primary sent a jolt through the political world. The Democratic Socialists won by nailing one key issue: New York City's rent affordability crisis. New Yorkers have long complained that rent is too high, but now the crisis isn't just hitting some. It's impacting the city's wealthiest. After a brief dip during the pandemic, rents in neighborhoods like Greenpoint and Long Island City have skyrocketed, with some jumping more than 40% since 2020. These are the same areas where voters overwhelmingly supported Mamdani. The core problem is simple: a classic supply and demand issue. In a city with 8 million residents, demand is high, but space comes at a premium. And when new housing is built, it's astronomically expensive, which can actually push up median rents across entire neighborhoods. The pandemic simply added fuel to the fire. Initially, rents dipped as professionals moved away, but then came the great reshuffle. High-earning professionals came back, many with remote work flexibility, fueling bidding wars and rapidly escalating prices. Mamdani's win is a clear signal that New York voters are ready for radical change. His ambitious plans like freezing rent and investing in affordable housing will now face a test. Could his proposals be the solution that New York needs?